Asus! Hi, Malaya!
Hi mga Beshi! Simula na Sydney! It's only a few more days till the first day of Misa de Gallo. And a few more days till we meet these people again. Here's 5 people you'll meet during Misa de Gallo. Number 1. Hi, excuse me. Merry Christmas. Duh! Are you a latecomer, sizst? Number 2. Duh! Are you a headbanger, sizst? Tuwik-tuwik, you sizst! Number 3. Dapit sa kahimayaan.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Mauray abang nakita ang panagway na masanagong bulahan ang tagbalay nga giawitan awit sa halandungan sa kanambas kung magmalipa yon. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ay, Merry Christmas, ha? Duh! Are you a nachong mananaygon, sizst? Number 4. Babe, I'm so glad I have someone to go to church with.
Hindi ka pa ginanabi, nagtanong sa Papa Jesus.
Anam de, mauwi ka ng ani ko, diri mo ko ng ani ko, diri ngan man. Nakay-crush diri nun. Ufo na dira, buot na ko. So, are you a PDA in church, sizst? Should it? And number 5. Hi guys. Day 5 out of 9 at Misa de Gallo. Did you guys go to church now? I just feel so blessed this year. Duh. Are you a hashtag blessed, sizst? Bahala gwe panudlay, sizst. Basta kay ang kilay on flick, sizst. Pep, naigo mo. We are all a little guilty, so tag your guilty friends. And I have a special announcement to make. Body TV will be throwing me a Christmas dinner with 5 of my avid fans. Yes, you heard that right. So please don't forget to like my new page, that's Malaya Macaraeg, and I'll be posting the video tomorrow, okay? And that's our last episode for this year. Aw, thank you to all my fans for all the support that you have been giving me. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, mga bye! See ya! Mwah. I'd like to give a special shout out to Elgene and Samantha Fernandez and of course Katie Padilla. Thank you guys for dropping by John Roa's concert to say hi and to dance budits with me. And watch out for a special video that will be posted on my page anytime soon.